I'm Amy Fortson, your new Northeastern Territory Manager. I've been with Perfection Chain Products, the largest producer of wellness chain in North America, for over 7 years, managing accounts from the inside and assisting the outside sales team. I'm well versed in product knowledge and can quickly identify and meet my customers' needs, adding my own personal touch to your customer service experience. I want all of my current and future customers to know that I'll go to any length to help meet their need. Unfortunately, I'm stuck here in the office until things get back to normal, but I can assure you that once they do, I look forward to getting out and meeting each and every one of you. Until then, give me a call or shoot me an email and let me find a custom solution to fit your needs. And that's perfection.